Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody is having a great Saturday. Well, instead of European Town, we are going to try to put two diamond paintings into two frames. Now, as you can kind of see, I have, see it moving? That is the glass out of there. And I've never done this in a big frame, so we're going to see how this goes. So it looks like it's not narrow enough this way to go in the 11 by 14. So I'm going to have to trim off just a little bit off of this bottom, I'm thinking. And I'm going to put, I thought this was duct tape, but it's fine. It's wide painter's tape that I got, and we might have to take some off. There's some little debris or something there, and we are just gonna wing this, okay? Because I've never done this, so it'll be trial and error for everybody, right? Let me get that piece off, and of course it's kind of weird. Let me see if I can get it all even so that I can get a decent piece off. We're going to just trim off all that goobly gop that's right there. And of course we're only going to cover these edges just on the side before I cut it. So I've got to move the glass, so put it back where it's safe. And we're just going to take a big piece and hopefully, yeah, I'm just making sure you can see what I was doing. And lay it down as flat as possible. And it's not going to stick to everything. We don't need to worry about the bottom. And then I'm going to flip it over. I even got some double face tape. I'm not sure that I will or I won't need it. Let's just lose that for right this second. Can't lose that. Sorry, there's a little dust there. Okay, let me turn it around. We can just fold this edge over. And just knock it down. Because we're going to cut that edge. And we're going to have to cut it right along the top here. Oh, come on, please. See, I told you it was going to be a learning experience. I knew I should have gotten duct tape, but this is about all I could find other than silver duct tape. And I figured the blue would work just fine. It's fine if I just... Crap. Hang on. We're getting there, guys. I may have to pause this a couple times. Be right back. I'm back. I knew that was going to take a hot moment, so go fairly slow. This isn't the thinnest tape I've ever had, but just need to hold it pretty steady. Oh, of course, there's a diamond out of place. Let me just rip that off and set it down. See, it comes up real easy. I didn't quite, hang on, get it where I needed it. Where's that diamond? Oh. This is our trial and error one. Get it just about as close as I can. Right to the edge of the diamonds. And then moosh it down as best I can. Lift it up. I already wrote where I got it and when I finished it on the back because it's not going to show through. Alright, now comes the fun part. Now we're going to get this. Let's see, where's the bottom? Hang on. I got a little bit of something right there. We're going to cut it off right there at that edge. And kind of even this out. And up towards the edge of the material, because part of it's going to be underneath, you know. And I'm just going to use a big pen here. I was going to use my black magic marker, but somehow it's not happening. Oh God, we're losing. I'll do it real easy. Let me see if I got it to the edge where you can see what's going on. And I'll just put a line there at the bottom on both sides where I'm going to have to cut. Down that side just a little bit. Alright, now we're going to get that out of the way. And I bought double-faced tape because I'm not real sure if I'm going to use it or not. I need a diamond right there. It's not like we don't have any. But I'm just going to cut on the line. Making sure you're still recording because, you know, there's no going back at this point. But I've actually never framed any of my diamond paintings. Ever. Now some of this, I just kind of moosh it back on the edges. We're going to cut our sides off. This might actually go a lot easier than I thought it would. And since this totally fits the frame, I may not have to use my double-faced tape because it's not going anywhere once you get it there. Okay. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. I thought I'd start with the bird to see how it goes, and then we'll do Cinderella. But so far, so good. And I can see my cut line really well. Because that ink is kind of iridescent, if you will. Alright, now let's see what's going to happen down here. Okay, let's push that down right along the edge. Doesn't have to be perfect. And there's a few pieces of Molly hair and my hair. You know, I need a pink drill. Oh, I can get one off of here. Never mind. I'm so retarded. Some days, just kind of nuts. I'm like, where am I ever going to find ones that actually match? Hello. We're good. We'll go back and put the drills that fall off. Trying to stay shy of that so they don't fall off. That should be good enough. You just push them back down. And there was one up here. Did anybody see anything? Because once you get it in the frame, it's not going to go anywhere. They have nowhere to fall. All right, let's see how that works, kids. Okay, first we're going to put the glass back in. I may have to remove this, you know, to clean the glass, but I just want to get it where it's going. Does that make sense? Oh, yeah, I needed a pink drill. Hang on. Is it pink or purple? It's purple. We got plenty over here. Let me get my dealie. There we go. It's not exactly the same color, but nobody's going to care. Okay, now I got to put this. We're going to lay this down in the little slot. Kind of make it, there's like a little lip in there. You have to, it fits okay up and down. Let's see, because this is gonna mush everything back into place. Oh yeah, it'll be fine. Let me just put my little side clips down so it doesn't go anywhere, and then I can flip it over and we'll see what happens. If I got it upside down, I'll be mad. No, look, that was not hard at all. And you can barely see the blue part on this side though, but that's fine. Just fine. So we got it done. That took us what, 10 minutes? Let's see if we can do Cinderella. Be right back. Okay, I am back. Now this one is a little bit wider, so I'm gonna have to, the glass is, it's a little bit bigger frame. I don't have an idea of how big it is, but we're gonna go ahead and put blue all the way around. The blue tape. Take off, I have pieces of tape that I hold up my plastic and hold it to my deal, to my light board. So let's see how we can do this a little bit wider. Let me get hold of the tape. See if I can get it to go. Okay. And I tried my very best to push everything in. As far as it'll go. Smoosh it down. Because once you get it in the frame, it's really not going to matter that it is or isn't duct tape. I had no choice. You know, this is as good as it gets. And we're going to flip it over carefully and fold the edge of the tape down, because we're going to cut part of that off. We'll just, where's my scissors here? We don't need a big old area hanging off the edge. We're going to have lots to clean up when we're done. We're going to flip it around. Make sure all the drills along the edge are good. I've had this laying for a while. Okay. Oh, come on. Really? You did so well. I don't know how we're going to get 4 pieces off of here. This will be interesting. It'll take us a hot moment. May have to stop and start again, but there we go. Just gotta go slow with this stuff. It's cheap. Okay, get rid of the stickiness. Pull out a whole piece. It kind of looks like, what do you call that stuff? Crepe paper. You remember how we used to hang crepe paper? They probably don't even sell crepe paper anymore. I know. Serious cerealists. we're just gonna get the piece off. Let go. Put that over there. And we're gonna see, this comes up real easy. Ah, shoot. Well, I cut the... I'll just get it halfway. Make it lay down. And lift it up. Yeah, this must be a little bit bigger frame. We're gonna do the edges now. And I know you can get like all different colors of duct tape, so if you want to use duct tape, it works perfect. Let me get it a little bit further out. Oh crap, there we go. At least this tape does not stick to each other. I don't think we have any missing drills or anything. I'm just trying to make the edge look good. But don't cut that edge until you figure out if it's going to fit, you know, in the frame. Then I'll just cut my edge off here. We're going to cut back some. And if you put it in one of those poster things, you know, you might need more of an edge. We about got this whooped, guys. Hang in there. Whoops. As I let go of the tape. But it doesn't stick on itself, which is heaven sent. So it's kind of good. It's not like duct tape, and it's easier to rip. But it'll work. Okay, I gotta come back just a little bit. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Bye-bye, diamond painting information. And when somebody takes this apart 100 years from now, they'll go, what the heck was this? Oh, come on. Seriously? Back. Maybe we'll start at this edge because it looks more. Gotta push the diamonds down as I go. Kind of trying to get it a straight line here. There we go. It's not perfect, but my granddaughter, she knows grandmas ain't perfect, and nobody else is perfect. There's only one perfect person in this world. Okay. Wow, that was something else. Oh, I forgot to turn it up. And then we're going to have to fit the glass down and do some more cutting. But we're going to cut those edges once we get there. Just a minute. Doing something here. Okay, I had to inscribe the back for my granddaughter. All right. Make sure all the beads are down. All right. Now, we got to set, I know, this glass is filthy, so I'm going to get this done, and then I'm going to go clean the glass and all that. So, it almost helps on this blackish blue. So, let's make sure everything is about where it needs to be. I'm going to have to stand up, all y'all, and get it squared. It's got to come back. I wish I had it overhead. Sorry, that's just, oh, that's attractive. Of course, you know, the bell that I put there. Put that out of my way so I can kind of see what's going on. It takes a hot moment to get it fairly squared. Best guess scenario. Get that out of my way. We don't need the diamond painting pin. We're not cutting any of the diamond painting this time. Just moving crap out of my way. Where's the pin? Okay. Gotta come up. And make it as square all the way around. What do you think? That's pretty dang close. All right, hold it as tight as I can. Yeah, I'm being really brave. Not sure why. Oh, I think I missed. What the hell? I can't see. That glass likes to slide. So, hang in there, guys. We're getting this. Like I said, it's a learning curve for everyone. It just keeps moving. And if you had to take this tape off, you would be fine. Okay, we're going to do it with the black magic marker. Make sure it's where it needs to be, because now I've driven. I should have done this on the back side, huh? Yeah, what can I say? Grandma's just a little nuts. But at least I can see this black marker. I don't have to put so much pressure. Alright, we're going to get rid of that. Whew, good gravy. Now, shoot. Well, that's not going to work, is it? Because there's lines going down, all that. Not so much on that side. Okay, we're just going to do this. Then we'll have to draw our line again. I know. What can I say? It is what it is, kids. The top and the bottoms are good. Hang on. Get that even over there. Get that even right there. I noticed these frames are a little tight. There we go. We're good. Jeez Louise, kids. I know. I didn't know it was going to be that big of a deal. but it is. We're having a little more difficulty with this one because it's a little bit bigger. At least it's not so close to the diamond painting. May have to trim part of that again. Get it to turn around here. Got a little bit offline. There we go. That part's done. But like I said, it's not going nowhere once it's inside the frame. All right. There we go. Let's get rid of the strips here. All right. Got all that done. All right. Now we have to have the frame. Make sure there's no hanging in a different direction. Oh, come on. Get that glass back in there and down. It's going to have to be cleaned. It's horrible. And then we can put this in there. Push it down. Fits perfect. Dad may have to screw in a thing. You know, like a hanger. Get all the little flipper things down and flip it over. There we go. There she is. She is done. I'll set it sideways so you can see it a little bit better. I know, that light, it's just being a pain today. But it worked just fine. Just fine. So it's got a little edge all the way around. It's perfect. Now the glass needs to be cleaned. But that is how, I'll put it this way, how to frame diamond paintings. Where did I put the other one? Oh, I set it down. Especially, now these were both 30 by 40. This was an 11 by 14 frame. I don't know what this is. Got strings everywhere. We'll measure. It's like 12 across. By, I'm just measuring the outside. 12 by 15-ish. But it worked out perfect. Yep. All right. Put that one there. And this heavy, they're both heavy frames. But yeah, they got framed just fine. Just fine. And that is how I do that. Well, thank you for joining me, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the bell, and that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We will see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.